Ever pondered what happens when you eat grapes every day? Well, let's take a moment to appreciate these little orbs of sweetness. Grapes, as it turns out, hold more power than just satisfying our sweet cravings. They're small, they're juicy, and they're packed with a surprising amount of nutrients that can give your health a significant boost. Consider this. Grapes are not just fruits. They're tiny capsules of wellness. They're an excellent source of several key vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidants. Not to mention, they're incredibly versatile, making them an easy addition to just about any diet. The magic of grapes lies in their ability to offer a multitude of health benefits, all while being a delicious snack. So the next time you reach for a treat, consider the humble grape. Now, you might be wondering, what are these health benefits we're talking about? Let's dive in. Benefit number 1, grapes are a heart's best friend. They come packed with antioxidants, substances that wage war against harmful free radicals in your body. These antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, are known to reduce the risk of heart disease. They lower the levels of low-density lipoprotein, commonly known as bad cholesterol, and increase high-density lipoprotein, the good cholesterol. By doing so, they keep your heart ticking along just fine. Now let's move on to your eyes. Grapes are one of the best sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, two nutrients that play a crucial role in maintaining eye health. They protect your eyes from damage caused by blue light, reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, and may even improve your vision. But the goodness of grapes doesn't stop there. These little fruits are also loaded with fiber, which aids in digestion. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. It also helps you feel full for longer, aiding in weight management. Speaking of weight management, did you know that grapes are low in calories yet provide a host of nutrients? They can be a healthy part of your diet if you're trying to shed a few pounds. Turns out, grapes are also great for your bones. They are a good source of micronutrients like copper, manganese, and vitamin K, all of which are essential for bone health. Regular consumption of grapes can lead to increased bone density, reducing the risk of fractures. But that's not all. Grapes also have a role to play in managing blood pressure. The high potassium content in grapes can help reduce the effects of sodium, thereby helping to lower blood pressure levels. Lastly, let's talk about something serious: cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants found in grapes may help prevent many types of cancer, including esophageal, lung, mouth, pharynx, endometrial, pancreatic, prostate, and colon cancers. Impressive, isn't it? But there's more to grapes than just these benefits. Eating grapes daily does more than just improve your physical health. It's also an effective way to boost your mental well-being. Yes, you heard that right. Grapes, these tiny orbs of goodness, can help reduce stress and anxiety. Their high antioxidant content plays a significant role in maintaining brain health, potentially slowing down cognitive decline. Now, we all know how crucial a good night's sleep is for overall health, right? Well, here's some good news. Grapes are a great source of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Including them in your diet can help regulate your sleep cycle and improve sleep quality. And it's not just about the sleep. A well-rested mind is more alert, more focused, and definitely more productive. So you're not just eating a fruit, you're investing in a happier, healthier, more balanced version of yourself. So, what's the takeaway from all this? Is it worth it to eat grapes every day? Absolutely.